Good morning, good morning. Welcome back to the start of a new vlog. I know we always starting this vlog off in the car. I know that. I know. Yeah, actually I'm headed to an appointment. Then I'm gonna get back home and log back in for work. After I come back from my appointment. And I got to do something about this hair. Shy. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna wear tomorrow, and we're doing this. I did mention to y'all on the last vlog that my brother-in-law is treating me and my mom and my sister, which is his wife. It's a winery going to tomorrow, and he did the train ride. I guess they take a tour of the winery. You know, that is my type of vibe, wine. So, I think my sister we're gonna leave out here at 12 tomorrow. But today, I'm not for sure. Me and my girlfriend going out. If me and my girlfriend, all of us don't go out. One of us said we'll go out to have a drink today, and that's based on is my family, my cousin them not doing anything for my aunt's birthday. Today is her birthday, so y'all give a shout out to my aunt. Today is her birthday, so I'm gonna head to my appointment, and I'll pick you beautiful people back up later. Soon. Gonna call you later. What the song say? Call me if you need someone to talk to now. Hey, you guys, you can't hardly see these lights in this car, but I was able to get my hair braid in time, and I'm headed out with my girls. Then I'm headed out to help my aunt celebrate her birthday. So maybe I'll do it like this. Let me see, y'all. Oh, why this light ain't coming on? There you go. Y'all can see me now. My granddaughter was able to get my hair braided. I'm like, can you finish in time before I leave? But I'll let y'all see it better tomorrow. So let's turn this light out. And why is that light? There we go. Get ready, head out of here. I should have went in the truck. That's what I should have did. But I don't have to. I'm headed out to be with my girls tonight, which we supposed to went last week, but it was storming here bad. And then a little while there, I'm headed to this new place. My aunt wanted to go celebrate her birthday there. I'll be going there, so. Oh, y'all, my granddaughter, she did a good job for them. I think, let me see, she started on about 4:30. She will finish like 6:30, I think. So I just said, look, just throw some jumbo braids in my head. And I'm going to keep these in here at least till about the middle, towards the end of October, because it's freaking hot here. It is hot. But I will pick you guys back up once I get to the lounge, because it's dark and you guys can't see me. I don't want to be talking to you guys while it's dark. But if I was in the truck, you'd be able to see. I don't know why the lights dim in here. But yes, I'll call y'all back. Cheers. Mine's empty. Yeah, your empty, gotta get another one. You gotta get another one. It is. That's a good lemon drop. Very good. Good morning, you all. I just came on to say good morning. Today is Saturday, September the 21st. I done got up, sipping on my coffee, Y'all, we had a good time. I couldn't record everything because of the music. I didn't want to get copyright, but there go that frog in my throat again. But yeah, we after we left from the lounge, we went to this new place here that just opened up in my town, and it called Friends Cigar and Lounge. I had to come. Actually, I had to come home last night to take a Benadryl. I thought I had to take a Tylenol because I used a cigar and cigarette smoke give me a headache. But it was a nice place. Just I think yesterday at both places, it was an R&B night for them, and we were like wanted to do some dancing and one neighbor, so we just vibed to the music and had some lemon drops. And baby, the girl fixed that lemon drop. She fixed the lemon drop. I like a lemon drop that'll sneak up on you. I like a lemon drop that's just ain't straight liquor, and that she fixed it just right. But I'm gonna go ahead and fix me some bread from cooking me some oatmeal. That's all I want this morning. I'm doing my husband's some oatmeal, boil it, and some turkey sausage patty. But I would pick y'all back up once I finish getting ready to head out to my sister. We go get ready for our trip up to the winery. And you guys, my granddaughter, y'all know it's hot. So I like, can you do me some knotless box braid, the jumbo? I told her I didn't want these too big. I didn't want them too big, the plaits too big. And she got it done in enough time. Oh, it's cute. And these gonna stay in till about the middle of October, the end of October, until this weather start changing in Georgia and stay. I'm ready for the fall weather. Actually, tomorrow is fall. And I know today is supposed to get up to 92. But starting next week, I see the temperature supposed to drop down in 80s. And even like the low 60s, mid 60s, 65. So I'm going to call you guys back later because your girl got to wake up. Man, this frog voice is not going to get it. But my neighbor kids. But I'll talk to y'all later. Hey guys, I am back. I have gotten ready and headed to my sister and get in the car with her. I'm gonna head up the road. Now my the light up in your roof in your car, I'm gonna have to take it back to the body shop that fixed my car. The year before last, me and my girlfriends, we were headed to Atlanta to stay over because we had an early flight to Miami. Because why do y'all come all the way out like this? Like, really? Damn. Excuse me, y'all. I'm like, he wasn't even in his lane. That jump pisses me off. But yeah, so when we were heading up the road, oh my God, that was a scary thing I ever experienced in my life. We were on the main highway, traffic, and my roof flew open, bust my whole windshield. So the insurance replaced everything, but it's this thing because they had to take my whole roof out, and it keep coming down. So I'm gonna have to tell my husband when I get back, he gonna have to take the car back over there and have them to put that back in there right, because it wasn't loose like that. But yeah, that was scary. We was headed to Atlanta because we was gonna stay over because we had to Miami to go on a 4-day cruise we went on. And oh my God. And so my insurance covered everything. They found out it was a wind advisory going on. And I'm like, no. And so when I see people on the highway and their hood fly open, now I see why. And I'm like, how did that happen? So now when I get on the road with them, I double check the hood. My husband double check the hood, make sure it's sealed and tight and won't pop up. But that was a scary moment for me when my roof flew open. Very scary moment. And then I'm looking. I can't look that way. I'm looking in my rearview mirror. I'm looking out my outside window, seeing the traffic. I have on my blinkers, and you're looking at cars coming. You trying to get over on the other side of the highway, the emergency lane, because you way on the fast lane. It's like, oh my God, I won't want to experience that again. And I pray the Lord that I don't ever experience that again. But I'm going to call you guys, as you, so I say back. But I'm headed to my sister, like I said from the beginning. And I'm going to get, me and my mom going to get in the car with her and her husband. And we're going to hit the road. It's supposed to be like 2 hours. So we was going to leave at 12. So we're going to leave at 11:30. So it's 11:07 now. Time to stop and get me a cup of iced coffee from Starbucks. I want to try that pumpkin latte. Everybody saying it was so good, but I'm not a pumpkin person, so I said I don't need to try something and I don't like it, and I'll be wasting my money. But I'm gonna check on my app to see if I have any deals or anything for Starbucks today. But yeah. Because I couldn't finish my coffee because my sister had called because we were originally, she said we was going to leave at 12, and when I looked it was 10. She said we're leaving at 11:30. Oh shoot, hurry up, get my butt in the shower and get dressed. But yeah. Okay guys, that's my mom. We finna get ready to head out. I had Rayfield about me. It's crazy. I'm gonna have to do that. I'm gonna mute it. I'm judging, baby. Y'all, we made it to the winery. Well, we're here early. You can see it's the Scub Dines. Right there. My mom, my sister. But yes, we made it here safely. Ooh. The sun is not playing. Oh, your camera got hair on top of it. What is that on top? Ma, that's the mic. Mama said the camera got hair on top. That's the mic right there. That's the mic. Yeah. It look like it done growed hair. Oh, look like that. Oh. Pick some muscadines. They look sweet. Somebody peed on them things. What? Mom, how they peed on? I'm not finna get one off there. Because they need rinsing. Wash. They got a look. Huh? I had to mute it. Ooh. Is that lavender? Yeah, Darcy, is this lavender? Right here. No?
Now them right there is $6.
The rum one is pretty good.
You gotta put that box over in there and do
Okay, guys. Me, my mom, my brother, my sister. We just had drank this shot of their vodka. Oh my god, y'all. The vodka tastes like strong alcohol. We had the pizza. The pizza was delicious. So we finna get ready to do the train tour. They had a ooh Lord. Y'all, if I'm not pronouncing right, y'all know the Kachara board. Wherever you know with the bit different. I need to get my glasses out the car. I can't see without them glasses. Hey! But yeah, it's a nice venue. I'm at y'all get my glasses, cause baby, your girl can't see without them glasses. Let me give me some water. You know what? I don't know if my tank is gonna be too hot in the car.
That's a big truck.
It is. Baby, this sun is not playing.
Not playing.
The heat is not playing. I should have put on a pair of shorts. She stopped to use the restroom. But we finna get ready. Get on the train. Y'all see I'm out of breath. Cause I had to come down. No, there they go. Here. In the train. What time the train leave?
3.
3 o'clock. What time it is?
We gotta go down here and check in and get our.
Ooh, I'm glad I put my suntan on.
I left my glasses. I ain't going back. He said You done pull right up too.
Got it? Hey guys, welcome to Ozan's Bourbon and Brisket Train. We're a little early, but that's okay. So the sun will continue to go this way. We'll be in the shade over there. So the train will be here at 3:45. So you got some of y'all got here really early.
It's in your time.
Oh shit, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't been down there in 30 years. You think I'm going back up there?
Well, that's because you're not cultured.
I know my culture. I'm not going to Uniontown. You can tell that to somebody else. Shoot.
It's pouring. Y'all hear the train? Come on, Ma. Come on, y'all. It feel good out here now compared to earlier, y'all. It was hot. It was like more fall weather. It would be so nice. But it's everything nice.
Oh, I was gonna say, my mama had 13 cents this year.
Ooh, yeah. Let me get these shades on for you. Oh, God, it's beaming now. Getting on the train. We're leaving on the old Santa Fe.
Long Island.
Long Island.
My bad. No, I had to go to the front.
You go outside or inside, Mom? Where you going?
Going inside, baby.
Already you going inside. Hello.
See, you get wind. You see that wind you get right there?
The mosquitoes flies gonna be popping.
We made it. Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Thank you. Oh, it feels good in here.
Buy bottles of wine up there.
She's going out.
Yeah, cool off a little bit.
What's on it?
Behind.
Oh, all these 3 seats. Why do you want to sit on that side?
There's a highway on that side.
Highway.
I'm gonna sit where?
Girl. You better sit on it.
Trying to get the window. Oh. Y'all taking a sit down break?
You get up and walk every day. Yes, I do. That wine. The wine is not helping me.
Oh, we gotta go there. Oh, well, I need to go to the restroom.
We can go to the service station because walking up that hill ain't gonna be. We have to go to the bathroom. Look like they will have one down here. They're gonna serve some food.
Oh, gee.
Girl, I thought that was it.
No, we gotta go eat, Ma. Oh, this is your exercise for today.
Yeah, because I sure missed it. Can't walk and drink wine.
They don't mix.
Not at all.
Pickles. Right there at the bottom. I gotta use restroom. Yeah. Hello and happy Sunday, guys. I would have came in earlier because today is Sunday, September 22nd, 3:42. But I had to go clean up an Airbnb this morning. I really wasn't up to it, but I knew I had to get it done. So yesterday at the winery, it was very nice. It's like in between Montgomery and Birmingham. I think a couple people drove a few hours away to experience the train ride. For about 10 minutes. It just took us up and brought us back. Actually, I thought we was gonna do the taste on the train, but we didn't. So after the train, well, before the train ride, they gave us it wasn't cheese, pickled. Oh no, pickles were good, and a brisket on the stick, and that was delicious. And what else? We had some wine. You had a choice. You want some wine, a mixed drink, rum, bourbon. So I just did the what kind of wine? Me and my mom. I can't think of the name of the wine we tried. But anyway, the wine was nice. After we came back from the train ride, we came back, did a tour and tasting bourbon, whiskey, and I think rum, and one wine, apple wine. The apple wine, oh my God, it's delicious. It is delicious. It's a wine that you can drink during the fall and winter time. Yeah. But you can drink it anytime, but I would suggest to drink that wine that they have. Is nice. But everything was nice. After the tour, they gave us some brisket sandwich with some slaw. I think there was some corn salad and pickle. Everything was delicious. Actually, their brisket tastes better than the one at Buc-ee's. I can't say that. But I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog. I got to go and get my Sunday dinner done and get myself ready for this week for work. And I holler, oh, they kissing. I don't know. I think they call them kissing bug. I don't know what kind of bugs those. But I'll talk to you later. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Talk to you later.